Temu, Temu. Oh my god. I thought this thing was way bigger than this.
Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening for wherever you're watching this video from. My name is Confidence and the name of my YouTube channel is We Dey Comfy. So in today's video we are going to be doing unboxing. I got some few things from Temu and I want us to unbox them together. Let's see if it is what I ordered versus what I got, or they actually gave me what I ordered. So let me show you guys the package we are going to be unboxing. This These are the things we are going to be unboxing. So guys, let's dive right into this video. So the first thing we are going to be unboxing here is this K29 tripod stand. I've been seeing this tripod stand all over TikTok and Instagram, and I've been wanting to get it because the tripod stand I have, the small one, is very small, like it's short, it is not long enough. So I've been seeing the review about this and I said let me get it. I also saw C18. The price I was seeing it in Abuja and in Lagos, they were ridiculously high. So when I now got to Temu app and I'm like, okay, let me search for this tripod, and I saw this, I'm like, okay, let me buy it because the price was way cheaper. So I got this for myself. So guys, let's open it and see. Okay, I think it came with a manual. This is the manual. But the manual is in Chinese though. This is the manual it came with. You can see it, how to set it up and the rest of them. So let's just go ahead and open to see how long tripod stand is. Ooh. This is what the tripod stand looks like, and it looks sturdy. You can see it is very like it's sturdy. Let's open it from here. You can just push to open. That's it. Wow, this is very long, like very long, and you can rotate it as well. You can rotate. If you have the influencer light, you can put it here. This is where you can put your phone and can actually rotate 360. I love it. My other tripod cannot rotate 360. It also came with a Bluetooth shooter. This is it. I love it. So this is the first thing I got. It is very long, like very long. I just reduced it like this so that you'll be able to see. The next thing I got was this microphone. Yes, I got this microphone as well. The wireless microphone. I've been filming with that microphone for the longest time. So when I saw this, I'm like, okay, let me get it and see if it will actually work. So guys, I think we are going to try it now and see how it works. This is how my voice sounds now without microphone. You can see I'm not using any microphone presently. So let's go ahead and put this microphone and see how it works. So it also came with a manual. It also came with a manual. It came with its own charger, and it came with a wind blocker. I think that's what they call it. This thing here came with this too, and it is a double wireless microphone. It is two. So if you're filming with somebody, instead of sharing one microphone, you can actually give the person this one and you use this one to film. So I am excited to try this thing out and see if it's going to work. So let's go ahead and fit the wind. So this is what it looks like. This is it. I'm excited for this one. I I've successfully fixed it. So guys, let me go, let me connect this to my phone and let's see how it's going to look. Let me connect it.
So guys, I have successfully plugged this microphone and this is how it sounds. Before you can see the before and after of this when I was not using microphone and now that I've plugged this microphone. Is this microphone really a noise cancellation mic? Tell me down the comment section. But so far, I think it is good. It can cancel noise and you can hear me like I'm very, very audible now. So this is what our mic is looking like. And I'm super excited for this. This is it. So let's go ahead and continue using our mic to film. So you can clip it here and that is it. So guys, on to the next thing I got. Um, let's open and see. Okay, I got this glass cup also. Yes, I got it for smoothie. Oh, so beautiful. I love it. Like this is beautiful. But it's looking small here, not really big, but nonetheless, I love it. This is it. I got two of it and it came with its own straw. Like after you blend your smoothie, just go ahead and you sip. I love this. I got two of it. I actually got two of it. Let me show you the other one. So these are the two jars I got and I really love them. Just that they are somehow looking small here, but never mind. I still love it with the straw. This is a good buy. I love it. I love. The next thing I got was this um pot knob. You know, if you're using stainless steel pots, some of them at times their knob used to fall off. So my pots, their knob, they have all fallen off. So I got this pot knob and we are going to be trying it. Okay, this is what it actually looks like. It came in four, no, in five different knobs. So this is what this one is actually looking like. This is what I got. I got it just to try and see if it will work for my stainless steel. I also bought this tape that you can use to hang your pictures. If you don't want to use nail. So I don't want to be using nail to hang our pictures in the living room. So I got this tape. I've been seeing people use it and when I saw it there, okay, I get it now. I get it. You can feel it. So when you use it like this, then you can just hold your picture and you put it to the wall. I got three of these. I think I got extra one. Maybe we'll still see that one later. So this is what I got. Let's open this one. I'm excited. What is here? What is this? Like, oh my god. Okay, I saw this face. Whatever. I don't know. How am I going to fix it? That you can actually use it to hold your face, like put it, then something, I think something along this line. I don't know if it is like this or something. So mm, I don't know how to actually fix it yet. I know I look funny, but this is how I will insert the picture when I'm editing this video, what this thing actually looks like. So I got this as well. Let's check what this one actually is. Let me open. Okay. I saw this perfume, Fair Donny. The name is Fair Donny. Let's open it and see what it smells like. If the review were actually true. Okay. This is what is looking like. This is I've not even sprayed it yet, and I'm hearing so good. Hmm. It smells nice. Yeah, it smells nice, but you can pair it with other perfume. If you have other perfume, you can actually pair it. It smells nice. There's this powder that we used to use those days. Smells like it, but it's not. But I don't think it will last long because just now that I sprayed, I can't really perceive it again. But I will use it. What is this? Let's open and see. Okay. Temu. Temu. Oh my god. I thought this thing was way bigger than this. Because I bake, when I saw this cup, I'm like, okay, let me get it. I didn't know that it is actually small. Like, what is it? 250 ml cup, 250 ml, like one cup. This is one cup. So at times when you're buying something from Temu, make sure you check the sizes. In fact, check the dimension, everything, the cm, the length, the inches. So you will not go and get what you don't want. I think that's my review on this. I thought this was actually big, but no, it wasn't. But let's check, go ahead and check for the measuring spoon. I love the measuring spoons. They are okay. Yes, they are okay and they are colorful. Yeah, this is what it looks like. I love it. They're actually good. So, okay, I got this gown from Temu. I saw it, this merge gown. I said, okay, let me see how. Okay, okay. This is what this clothes is looking like. I think I need to try it and show you guys what it looks like. I'm coming. So guys, this is what this cloth actually looks like. I think I should have sized down a bit because here is a bit loose. It's supposed to be tight like this, but I love it. I'll just give it to a tailor and they'll help me and hold it. This is what it looks like, and this is the back. When next I'm getting any gown from Temu or any clothes, I'm going to size down because this is actually loose here. It's not supposed to be like this. It's meant to be tight in this shoulder area. So this is what it looks like. This is it. Let's just go ahead and use it to finish our remaining unboxing. So this is the last thing here. Let me open it and see what we got. Oh, popsicle mold. I got this because of my children. They've been asking me, mommy, can you make popsicle? Can you make popsicle? So I got this popsicle mold just because of them. This is how it came. I was thinking it's going to be big, but it's not big. So after making your, you can make smoothie and put in here or your ice cream just to give your children a treat. So this is what it looks like. So the next thing I got, I think this is a makeup brush. I was really, I have high hope for this, but looking at it now, is small, not a bit small. It is actually small. I was waiting for this makeup brush because I told myself this year 2026 that I'm going to start doing my makeup. You can see my face is there. I'm not really a makeup person. So when I saw this brush on table, but I actually like the bag. The bag, the makeup brush came in. So let's open it and see. Okay, okay. I like the color. The color is fine. The color is fine, but this is not really a professional makeup brush, but you can actually get the work done. Mm, this one, this is what it looks like. Let me count how many brush. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 brushes. So this is what we are going to be using for our makeup classes because I'm going to be watching YouTube videos on how to do my makeup, like everyday makeup. I don't want to be going out with my face just like that. I want to start doing my makeup. So these are the makeup brush I got from Temu. I was thinking they are big, but they are not big, but you can do since I'm a beginner in learning makeup. So, okay, this is the other sellotape I told you I got. Yes. So making it four. I got these earrings as well. I'm not really, I don't like wearing earrings. Fun fact, I did not open my children's ear, my daughters. I didn't open their ear. Whenever we go out, people will be like, madam, why didn't you open your girl's ear? I'll be like, no, I did not. Even me, I don't wear earrings like that. So I saw these earrings on Temu. I said, okay, let me get them. Wow, this is what they are looking like. This is what they are looking like. In fact, let's try one on. Let's try one on. Let's try it. So guys, how do I look with this earring? Hope, hope I'm not looking funny though. This is it. I don't think if it's going to tarnish, maybe it will tarnish, you know, this kind of earrings now. But how do I look? Tell me down in the comment section if I am looking beautiful with this earring. So guys, this is what the earrings look like. I think they came in one, two, three, four, five, six pairs. This is it. The last thing on our list is this egg yolk separator, a bit separator, tomato beer. Before I go and because I bake, so I need this if I want to separate my egg yolk from my egg white. So I need this, and this is the last thing I got. So that is it for this Temu unboxing. All these things I got were really what I ordered. If I'm going to be rating them, I'm going to be giving them a 7 out of 10 because what I ordered was actually what I got, and I'm so excited for my tripod stand, my K29 tripod. This mic that I'm using now, I am so excited for it. And my glass jar, the one I showed you, I'll be using for my smoothie. I love, love, love these things that I got. I am so happy for them. So, guys, thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, come your way next time. Bye bye. See you guys on my next one. Okay.